Take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold for a second or two, then gently breathe out by your nose, or you can use your mouth if it's easier. Repeat the steps throughout the time. As you inhale and exhale, observe your body and focus on your breath, putting all your attention in the present moment. Within a few seconds, your mind will start wandering. Don't be upset that thoughts are coming. Wandering is what the mind does. Your job as its master is to gently put it back to refocus on the breath in the present moment. Be the observer of your thoughts. Don't engage with them. Do you know an average person has about 6,000 thoughts per day, according to a 2020 study by Queen's University, and approx 70 to 80% of our thoughts are negative. Another study by Harvard psychologists says that our minds wander about 47% of the time. Therefore, we must train our mind to focus and stay present for increasing its productivity. But the question is, how to do that? And there is one simple answer, that is meditation. So you started thinking, oh, meditation, my friend once recommended it. I tried it, but it's very confusing. I didn't know what to do after sitting. I felt very uncomfortable. Maybe it's not for me, it's for hippies and monks only. Hold on, just as we all need to exercise to keep our body fit and healthy, we should also take care of our mind, and meditation is a key way to achieve that. So in this video, I am sharing a complete step-by-step guide for beginners about meditation, unpacking all its necessary components to make it easy to comprehend and perform on a regular basis. Let me know in the comments about your experience of meditation, or if you have any specific questions about it. Later in the video, I will summarize the whole meditation process in 2 simple steps that I use to make it easy, so keep watching. Starting with the basics. What is meditation? According to Google, to meditate means think deeply about something or focus one's mind for a period of time in silence or with some chantings for spiritual purposes or as a method of relaxation. Now let's talk about some of the amazing benefits of meditation. Meditation is very effective to reduce stress, anxiety, and depression. It improves concentration and focus and also promotes emotional health. It enhances self-awareness and increases mindfulness. It also improves our sleep. It increases patience and tolerance and also fosters creativity and promotes a sense of inner peace and relaxation. Meditation is proven to have amazing physical health benefits as well, such as it boosts our immunity, lowers blood pressure, promotes healing process of the body. I can go on and on, but you got the point. Now the most important question, how to actually do it? There are different types of meditation that can be a topic for another video, but today I will keep it to the basics. The most common type of meditation is called mindfulness meditation, and it's very simple, especially for beginners. So what you have to do is sit in silence, relax your body, remove all distractions from surroundings, keep your mobile phone on silent. Next, get the right posture, which is to sit in lotus position. Although we can meditate in any posture like sitting on chair or laying in the bed, but the lotus position is most recommended one as it makes our body the most receptive. Now before starting, set an alarm for 5 to 10 minutes so that your mind doesn't constantly worry about how much time has passed. Your outer body will stay still during this time. Don't focus on any disturbances like itching or any uncomfortable feeling. If your mind urges for such things, gently remind yourself that you are the boss here and let the feeling pass. now you are ready to start. So the next question comes, what to do during meditation? Take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold for a second or two, then gently breathe out by your nose, or you can use your mouth if it's easier. Repeat the steps throughout the time. As you inhale and exhale, observe your body and focus on your breath, putting all your attention in the present moment. Within a few seconds, your mind will start wandering. Don't be upset that thoughts are coming. Wandering is what the mind does. Your job as its master is to gently put it back to refocus on the breath in the present moment. Be the observer of your thoughts. Don't engage with them. It will be difficult in start, just like any new skill. Practice makes improvements. With consistent practice, you will notice that your mind stays focused on the breath in the present moment for a longer period of time, and there is a pause in streams of your thoughts. This gap between two thoughts is the desirable state in meditation. That's it. To summarize, there are only two simple steps that you need to follow during meditation. Number 1, physical action. Inhale, exhale, and repeat. Number 2, mental action. Focus on your breath. Your mind wanders. You take notice. Gently refocus it on the breath and repeat. Now there are many apps to help beginners in making this process easier. You can try guided meditation, which is a form of meditation where you will be given instructions that will help direct your focus, leading you through relaxation techniques or breathing exercises. So you just need to follow the guided instructions during that 5 to 10 minutes time. The most famous and my favorite meditation app is Headspace. Try it, it will be very helpful. Now, here are some tips on how to start and be consistent. Decide the time in your daily schedule whenever you have minimum distractions. The best times are early in the morning and before going to bed. Stick to the time to maintain consistency. Start by only 5 to 10 minutes daily to develop a habit. You can make a habit journal for meditation. You track your weekly progress. Journaling is also a very powerful tool, same as meditation. I have a separate detailed video on how to journal effectively. You can find the link on the screen. Don't be so hard on yourself to achieve perfection right from the first time. Even by trying imperfectly for 5 to 10 minutes daily has huge health benefits. So just don't give up. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Check out my other videos here for other interesting topics. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button. See you in the next video. Bye for now.